That thing cost 50 quid.
Yeah. I mean, they was much cheaper in my day and age.
I thought it were much cheaper in this day and age.
But when I woke up this morning, he was dead.
I mean, for 50 sovs, you could have at least got a bigger one.
What's up, love?
Because then Corin would have known the difference. You see, to us, it's just Canary, it's the Canary, but to her, it's a personal... We ought to double-check it, you know, honey. Make sure it ain't got no distinguishing feet. If this one is Del, she'll feet straight away.
Grandad, go down to Vet's and see if you can get his dimple in its chin and a beer gut, freckles or a birthmark. Sit down, sit down. This now is... Sit down, sit down. Look, soppy. Sit down, sit down. Unless the other one had dental records. No one is going to be none the white. Now, come on, let's get back in the oven and make it look as though we've done something today. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, what's it? That's up, quick. Quick, go on. Get up the stairs. Break that against the wall. Go on. That's it, go on, go on. Over the break that against the wall. Go on. That's it, go on, go on. That's the way, Rodney. Lots of care. Hey, that's right. Room when the... Oh, hello. What?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good.
Do you want a cup of tea?
No!
I only asked if you wanted a cup of tea.
You know, we've started. Magnus Mackerson did, so we'll finish.
Yeah, sort of personal trotters.
She's gonna twig it. 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 She's gonna twig
it. There is no way in a million years that she is going to suspect.
What's happened to Airy?
On the other hand, now, listen to me. If that thing's laid an egg, I'm going to kill.
Well, he seems all right to me, love.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with him.
Egg, I'm going to kill you.
No. What? No. What? No.
Yeah, look at him, he's hopping about all over the place like a good one.
Yeah, I know that.